Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to hide your Facebook friends list in 2025. So whether you want more privacy or just don't want others checking who you are connecting with, you can simply do this settings. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps here. So first of all, you need to log in into your Facebook account in your PC or in your mobile device. Once you are in your Facebook account, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, then select the option of settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, click on settings again and you will be landed in your settings page. Now over here in the left hand menu, you need to just tap on the privacy option, or what you can do is you can simply use the search bar over here and search for privacy. Now, if you search for privacy, you will see the privacy checkup option. So you need to just simply click on it. Over here, you will see the option of who can see what you share and how people can find you on Facebook. So this is the option that we want. You need to just click on it. Here, you need to press continue and then you need to press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If you go back, you will see who can send you friend requests. So if you want to make it for everyone, every person will be able to connect with you. So you need to just select it friends of friends, then press save, then press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to select people with email addresses or people with the phone number, then press next in the bottom right hand corner. Over here, you need to turn this toggle button on and press next again. Now you need to review another topic and here we will come on this page. Now select the second option and press continue again. Here you need to see the option of who can see the friend list. So click on this option and here from the given list or given options, you can select any of the options of your choice like only me or friends accept and specific friends. Once you have selected it, your friends list will now be hidden from others. But keep in mind, mutual friends will still be able to visible both people. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.